Hey friends, it's Amy Woodall with 31, and I want to show you a quick overview of some features that Cinchshare has to offer for you. There are a lot of third-party posters out there. Third-party meaning it's a way for you to save time and energy and schedule out posts. For me, I run a majority, if not all, of my business off of Facebook parties, and so being able to schedule multiple parties at the same time so that they are posting and I'm free to interact with the guests and not have to worry about getting to a computer or my phone and posting throughout the day is huge. So Cinchshare is one of those. To start off, I'm going to call this your home screen. When you log into Cinchshare, this up here, this little check mark, this is going to be your home screen where you can schedule a post. Right here is going to have your networks. This is a clipboard. Think about it like basically a clipboard that you would copy things to, but they call it your text clips. And then here is your post library. So 3 categories: history, pending, and saved. Kind of self-explanatory. History is everything you've already posted. Pending is things that are going to be posted, and saved is going to be if you import someone else's collection, they're going to go here, or if you save posts off of Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I use Cinchshare mainly for Facebook, so that's what I'm going to show you today. So first I'll give you an overview of what you're looking at, and then I will show you how to schedule a post. The post message, this is kind of self-explanatory. This is going to be the meat of your post. One of the things that's awesome is your text clips. So if you look at this, you'll see a drop down and you'll have all these different categories. Over here, see this little clipboard? This is where your text clips are kept and where you can edit them. And basically this is just a place that you can have easy access to verbiage or links, so that when you're creating a post, things you don't have to go search somewhere else, they're right there at your fingertips. For example, I have a giveaway form. I use my door prize drawing slip for my Facebook parties, and if I was to come here, this is the label, so that's what I'm going to see in that drop-down menu, and then this is the clip that it's going to pop up. My VIP group, maybe I'm creating a post and I want to put a plug for my VIP group, then it's going to be there. So if I come back up here and go to text clips, then just like I said, here it gives you the link to my giveaway survey. And here, this is the verbiage and the link that goes with the my customer page. Okay. Now the next thing that I can do is I can attach a photo or a link. So for example, let's just come up here. I added in a text clip just so I'd have easy access to it. This is a YouTube video to our Baby by 31, and if I wanted this post to be about Baby by 31, I add in the link, and then when I click on this little link button, and make sure you see it here, it is going to give you a preview. So you don't want your Facebook, you don't want the post to simply just be text with no preview, right? Because it's the preview, this image right here, which captures people's attention. And so if you link it right here, then it will automatically preview the YouTube video. If I decide, nope, actually I would like to do a picture, then I could come here and add in the a picture. I don't want this to be there anymore, so there we go. You also have the option, which is great, to choose more than one picture. So I'm just picking something random here. And as these are uploading, the nice thing is you get to pick up to 10 pictures, and you can drag and drop them, or you can click and add them. You get to move them around, which is nice. That's a nice feature. So you say, nope, I want this to go here, that sort of thing. And you can take them away if you don't want that there. You have lots of different options. Make sure you update the post so it saves there. This right here is going to let you know that there are multiple pictures being added to this post, so it's not just the one you see, but that there's more up here. Now, when I come over here and choose my date and time, I'm going to say I'm going to do 10:45 a.m. tomorrow, and you can choose the time zone that you would like. Post category, this would be this for searching purposes in the future. Let's say I'm doing this for my, this is about product because it's a baby line. And I add that in there, and then you're going to need to choose where you want to post it to, what group you want to post it to. Or right now I just have my Facebook linked, so you could also post it to Instagram or to Pinterest. So I'm going to choose to post it to my personal timeline. You can also choose to post it to more than one place. So I'm not only going to do that, but I'm also going to post it in my team page. And once you have chosen at least one of them and you have a date and time, then you can just post a picture. Let's say, just so I have this, maybe word scramble. There'll be some text coming with it. Schedule the post, and voila, it's going to show up over here. Okay. And these are my upcoming items. This is going to be the same list as your pending that I'm going to show you in just a second. You can sort them multiple ways. This is going to show you the next posts. So basically scheduled date, it's going to show you them based on when they will be posted. So this is the next post. If you want to say which is the one I have most recently created, that would be most recent. You can also select the network to filter by, so these are all the ones that are going to my team page. Or if I want to see them all, then I come again and come here. Now we uncheck these, come over here. If you want to add if you want to add or change your network, so which ones are you going to see on your home page? This is going to be all of the groups that you are an admin of. If they let us post to events again, they would be right here. Drop down. Right now you can post to groups or to albums. And so it's going to show you the little drop downs are going to be the albums that are in those groups. The ones that have a check mark beside them, those are the ones that you will be able to see on your home page. It's very simple to uncheck it or check it either way. And change what you can see. Now, if I come back to my home page here and I say, I really love this post and I would like to copy it. I want to do it at a different time, so I'm going to do it on Tuesday instead of on Monday, but I like everything about it. I just want it to be posted to a different group. Then I have just copied that post. It's a pending post, so this is how you copy a pending post. If, for example, you want to copy a post that you have already posted, it's going to be in your history section. So you've come to your post library and you want to copy a post that has already been posted. You go to your histories and it's this little like recycling button. So I say, I'd like to copy that one. Post it again. The verbiage and the photo is all going to be the same there. It's also going to have the date. It's actually going to have the time that I posted it before, but then it's only going to, I have to pick a date that's in the future. So I say, I'm going to post this tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. and I schedule that. Again, oops, I have to schedule a network, meaning I have to tell it to schedule somewhere. Now, one of the things that's really cool about Cinchshare is that they give you the feature called batch posting. So some third-party posters give you the option of a template, meaning you create a Facebook party script and then you can just post that, apply that script to different parties when you're doing it. Cinchshare's version of this is the batch post. And so if I want to, for example, I created a group and it's called Facebook Script Parking Lot. So everything that has this label, Facebook, that I went into this group is going to be, this is my Facebook script for the spring. And you can choose not just history, but pending. And if you see, it still saved these. I have all of these. And I go over here, you have lots of options. You can create, if I wanted to share my script with other Cinchshare users, I could share, click share, and then send the collection to somebody else. I could delete it, but this time I'm going to batch post it. And right here, if I know that for me, my parties always start at 9 a.m. in the morning, then as long as I change this to 9 a.m., this first post will be 9 a.m. and then everything else will have the same interval, meaning it will be exactly the right distance that I would like it. If I would like to change it and make a new interval, then I just come here and I say, for example, I want these to post every 19 minutes. And these are going to be 19 minutes apart. Okay. Now, one of the things that some of the other posting applications let you do that Cinchshare does not is to, when you're applying a template to a party, you can change the hostess's name, or you can change, add in a direct shopping link, that sort of thing. My workaround for that has been when I have put in, so for example, a direct shopping link, I just put in these two words, party link, in all caps, and I would come here and I would say, this is going to be, instead of my website, I would put in a direct shopping link. And everywhere that I put party link, so for instance right here, it's going to automatically, it's like the find and replace on the Word document, find and replace and put in the website, which is awesome. Obviously you want to go down to the bottom and click, there's a lot of posts here, update posts. You can change the view if you'd like to see it differently. That's basically what this is. Another option, go to batch selection, is you can, if you don't want to batch post them, meaning you don't want to post them to another group, you can also time shift. So, for example, if I know that I want to move all of these posts by just 2 minutes, then I am going to move them ahead 2 minutes, apply, and all of these, this was the old time, this is the new time, and then they still stay in the same time interval, but now I was able to shift them ahead by 2 minutes. You could also go backwards, change the time zone, that sort of thing. Update posts, there you go. One of the, I can always come back here. If I say, whoops, I don't want to do that, then I come back and I have just basically undone what I did. So that is a really neat feature that Cinchshare has for that. Like I said before, if you want to share these, I can share this to other Cinchshare users, do a collection detail. So this is going to be my spring Facebook party script, blah, blah, blah. And I can share the collection, and now this link, I can share this with anybody, and they would automatically have access to not only the pictures, but also the verbiage. So that's a neat feature as well. And then here, when you go to your Manage Post library, Shared Collections is going to show you, these are the collections I have shared, but also ones if I have downloaded one from somebody else, it would be in here as well. I think that kind of goes over most everything. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. There's always new stuff coming up with Cinchshare. They're staying up on speed, and they are very, very helpful with support, or if you have any types of questions, they are really good with getting back with you. Hope this was helpful.